When you first set up QuickBooks, the system automatically assumes your business runs on a standard calendar year, meaning your financial year starts fresh on January 1st. But if you manage a nonprofit, a school, a retail business, or a government contracting firm, your official financial year might start in July, October, or a completely different month. If your report periods don't match your actual tax year, your financial tracking will be an absolute nightmare. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your first month of the fiscal year so your reports update perfectly. Let's get it changed. Update this company-wide structure. Let's head up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Master Gear icon. Under the first column labeled Your Company, click on Account and Settings. Once the Settings dashboard opens, navigate over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the Advanced tab. Right at the top of the page, you'll see the Accounting section. Glide all the way to the far right of that specific header row and click the text option that says Edit to expand your preferences. With the options expanded, look at the very first row labeled First Month of Fiscal Year. Click into the drop-down menu and choose the exact month your legal fiscal year begins. Right below it, you will also see First Month of Tax Year. For the vast majority of businesses, this will simply mirror your fiscal year and say, Same as fiscal year. However, if your CPA has a highly specific tax filing structure for your business, you can adjust that drop-down separately right here. Once you've selected your new start month, glide down to the bottom right corner of this section and hit the green Save button. The window will automatically compress. Your settings are instantly live across your entire company file, and your annual report data will now automatically align with your updated business calendar. Getting your fiscal year aligned properly ensures that every time you click This Year on a report filter, you are actually looking at the data that matters to your business. If this quick setup guide kept your books on track today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.